So, those who know me will know that I absolutely have a soft spot for Pokemon. I still buy the cards. And so when I saw this today in the Black Friday sort of deal that was going on, I was like, I'm getting this. So, what this is the Tag Team Generations Premium Collection. It includes a playmat, which I actually don't own a Pokemon playmat, so it'd be quite nice to have one of those. It contains, I believe it's 5 packets of Unified Minds, which is not the greatest expansion, but it's an expansion I quite enjoy. And 2 Cosmic Eclipse packs, and these 2 promo cards, one of Venusaur and Snivy, and the other one of Charizard and Braixen. Oh, also a nice little Braixen and Charizard coin right there, alongside the full art, full-size, oversized card. So I've got a scalpel, and I'm just going to open this up, and once I've opened it up, we will go and do some unpacking. So taking it out of its box, just going to take its plastic sleeve off. This might be a bit tricky one-handed. I'm recording this on my mobile phone, so apologies for the shaky cam. So we'll just take the promos and the coin out of the way for now, just to show you those nice close up. I do like this sort of textured feel to these full art cards. They are very nice. Take the 2 Cosmic Eclipse out because they're the newest set, and the last set of Sun and Moon. And I'll just take out these Unified Minds as well. I haven't got the Cosmic Eclipse trainer box yet. I would quite like to get that at some point, but just got to save up for that, I think. So here's our 5 packets of Unified Minds, our code, which I'm probably going to actually use, so I'm not going to show that. Oh, and our full art tag team card, which is always going to be a pain to get out. There we go. Like so, which is of the Charizard and Braixen, as aforementioned. I don't know what to do with these ever, so these tend to just be in a small pile. But anyway, and the training mat we're going to be getting will look like this. Sort of hesitant to take it out of its roll because I know it's going to be a pain in the backside to get back in. We'll see. We'll see how I feel. But for now, I'll just move these out of the way. And we'll start opening our Unified Minds packs. So to make my life easier, I've actually already opened these up. I haven't taken any of the cards out yet. I've just split the packs so I can get to them easier. So we don't have too many issues doing this one-handed. So let's take them out of the pack like so. And straight away I can see a Litwick. Just move it out of the way. So we have a Litwick, Cubone, Yamuna, Yungus, Coronagle, Dragonite, which is our rare. It's quite cute. Froglass, which is also a rare. Some Energy, Tortuga, Tranquil, and Recycle Energy, and our code, which I'm going to also move over there. So not any cards that I'm really after. Dragonite probably is the nicest out of that pack for myself, because I still have a kind of fondness for the originals. Shouldn't be that way, but it kind of is. Purloin, Magma, and I've seen this design quite a few times over the years, or variations thereof. Tinamo, Cosmog, Sandalit, Vicinity, which is a nice one. Another Dragonite, so not been super lucky with him. Lapras with a little tiny Misty. Relicanth and Fraxure. Another code card. Okay, so first 2 packets down, another 3 to go of that set. Here we go. So another Cubone, another Yanima, another Yungus, another Chronago, different Litwick but nice Fletchling, Latias. Don't think I've got this one, it's a nice one to have. Energy, Noctowl, Tranquil, Electric, or Electric. If I can get one GX or tag team, I'll be quite happy. Marini, different Litwick. Another Cubone, Yamina, Yungus, and Pheasant. Ah, yes! That's it. This is the card that I've been after from this set. Mewtwo and Mew GX tag team. Yes. And if it's the other art film, when it's like Mewtwo looking disinterested and Mew flying around, that would also be perfect. But as this card says, this is perfection. That is my good card. That's made this worth it for me. Tornadus, Swaddling, why not? The rest of them don't really matter now. That's that. That's the card I wanted. And then just one more from that. Oh. From Unified Minds, which is a Tynamo, Popile, Snowrunt, Drawber, Dweeble, Zygarde, and a full art tag team Rowlet and Alohan Executor. I'm not super keen on these 3D designs that the Pokemon sometimes have, but again, another tag team card. 2 tag teams out of 5, not too bad. And it's one I ain't got, so Tornadus, yeah. Swindling, yeah. Wynoot, yeah. Basically. So that's my Unified Minds. 2 great pulls there, which are the tag team Rowlet and Alolan Executor, and the Mewtwo and Mew, which I am so happy about. So now I'm going to go on to the Cosmic Eclipse, which is the newest tag set from Sun and Moon and the last Sun and Moon set. So let's open these up. So again, I've just ripped open the packets off camera so I can do this one-handed, because I don't have my proper camera rig with me at the moment. So let's move this over here. So this is Cosmic Eclipse. So we have Timepole, Flabble, Alohan Sandshrew, which I do like. I do like the Alohan form of him. Ponyta, Sunkern, Eevee, different Vincenti from this set. Trainer Tag Team Guzma and Hala. Dusclops and a Larvesta. Okay. I don't actually have a lot of Cosmic Eclipse cards. A lot less than I would actually like to have, obviously. So we have another Flabble, another Lohan. Is this the same Ponyta or a different Ponyta? Same Ponyta design. Another Sunkern, different Cosmog, Pancham, Heliolisk, which is a rare, Golduck, looking very happy with himself, Trainer Will, and a Mimikyu, which is, again, out of all the newer Pokemon, Mimikyu is one of my favourites. I have been playing Sword and Shield a lot. That Sword and Shield Pokemon, I'm still undecided which ones are my favourite. Do quite like Wolo. He's quite cute. So yeah, that's basically been the cards out of the way. Let's get this out. Let's get this open. So this is the playmat, and from what I saw of the design, it looked pretty. So I'm just gonna unravel this. Try and unravel this in a way that actually makes sense. Open this up like so. And yeah, this is the playmat. Got your Venusaur, your Snivy, Piplup, Blastoise, Braixen and Charizard, which we've got as a promo, which is okay. I'd like that version of that without it being a promo, but promo is fine. Because again, I collect more than play. So yeah, nice mat. This will look good on my table. And we'll join the possibly nearly 4,000 other Pokemon cards I have. And that's not including any doubles. So yeah, that's been my unboxing of the Pokemon Generations Premium Collection. And like I said, greatest pulls were for me the Mewtwo and Mew. That was just sublime. So yeah, I'm not going to do any more of these videos really. These are just an impromptu. I saw this, I wanted this, I bought this, so I thought I'd share what I got out of it with you. And I basically thank you for watching. If you like this video, remember to like it and subscribe. Let me know what's your favourite Pokemon down in the comment section down below. And I'll see you again in the new year for more Pokemon action, hopefully, when the Sword and Shield set comes out. Goodbye.